Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Meanwhile, the Delta State government has resolved to open up new areas for massive development in the overall interests of the state and its people. The State Commissioner for Lands, Survey and Urban Development, Chief Obiodeh, made this known in a recent press statement. According to Obiodeh, opening new areas for development will attract more investors and boost the revenue profile of Delta State. He said the whole idea was in sync with Governor Burewuri's More agenda, which is in place to bring about meaningful development across the length and breadth of Delta State. The Commissioner, however, advised members of the public not to encroach into lands belonging to Delta State government, while noting that appropriate sanctions will be taken against those developing illegally without due approvals.
Inside the Niger Delta,